Lawnmower belt snapped? Today I'm going to show you how to quickly figure out what's wrong with your mower so you can get back cutting grass. Alright, first thing to figuring out what caused your mower belt to break is we're going to have to inspect it and find out how it broke. So as you can see, this belt has had plenty of use, but it's not completely falling apart. So it didn't fail from cracking and getting worn. As you can see here, this was a sudden breakage. It just got snapped. So you should go under your mower, look on top of the mower deck, and inspect all the parts. Look for anything that doesn't seem normal. Are all the guides in their spots? Does everything spin freely? Obviously that needs to be replaced. Do the spindles, do they spin like they should? The next thing to check is your blades. Are they dull? In this case, you can see there's no blade edge. They're completely rounded. That's likely what caused this belt to break. So when you're cutting tall grass or thick grass with dull blades, first of all, it's not good for the grass. Don't cut with dull blades. But for your mower's sake, cutting tall grass with dull blades will cause the blades to slow down when they're loaded with thick grass to go slower than what your engine is spinning at. So then you'll get slack. The engine spins this way, so you'll get slack in your belt. And then as soon as you come out of that patch of thick grass, the blades will suddenly catch up to the engine speed and it will snap the belt. So that's a very common cause when you have dull blades. Also, you should inspect all your pulleys for wear. If there's grooves in them, you can see this one has some groove. But if your pulleys have grooves in them, the V pulleys, that can cause the belt to slip. So that's the first thing to do, is look over the whole unit for anything that seems abnormal. Obviously, if you recently replaced the belt, then you should consider if you installed the right belt. You don't want to put on a cheap rubber one. You also need to put on the right length, width, and V. Some belts have different V shapes, so you got to get the exact belt for your mower. I recommend only going with OEM or maybe like Sten's aftermarket that's aramid wrapped. So then your chances of a new belt breaking is very low, unless of course it's caused by a part. So then, like I said, inspect everything, make sure everything spins freely, make sure your blades are good, and then you should be good to go.